Hey Dan, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I was going to send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all this free info, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page, which looks pretty good. However, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. I did a word counter search and you guys currently have 234 words. So we definitely want to add in some more content here. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on it will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. Also, in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content has the appropriate amount of high volume, buyer intent keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so here I am on Google. The keyword I'll be using for today is water damage restoration Janesville. This is a really good keyword. It brings in over 100 searches per month. So if you were to just convert a few of those into customers every month, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right here beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, you can definitely waste quite a bit of money on them. But if they're done right, they are a good way to get things moving quickly. And so right underneath the ads, here we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is great, especially if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots. In order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all really good examples of online directories that people trust and use a lot. And so you want to be on as many of those as you can, definitely on more of them than these 3 businesses are right here. And so I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. This is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to click on one of these organic search results here, and they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. So here is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so their site looks really good too. However, it does not have very much content on it either. So I did a word counter search on them as well. They actually only have 328 words. So a little bit more than you, but not much. So it would be extremely easy to beat them out content-wise. In addition to having a good amount of content, you also have to have a lot of high-powered backlinks in order to rank organically. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a local plumbing company that was really popular in your area were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to yours. So over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend using it. It is a bit pricey. It costs me around $300 something a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So I just typed in the competitor we were just looking at, and it tells me they have 169 backlinks from 19 different domains and are ranking organically for 72 keywords. So we can actually take a closer look and see which keywords those are. Make sure we're looking from America. And so right here, it will list all the different keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them every month. And so we can go through, see which ones apply to your business, which ones bring in the most volume, and which ones have the most buyer's intent. And we can incorporate those into your content. And so now I want to do the exact same thing I just did with the keywords with their backlinks. And so right now it is telling me that there are around 169 backlinks on their site. And so we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, we want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so we can look for backlinks that have a high DR domain rating. We can go through and snag the best ones for your site. We can go and get some more from other competitors and then find some on our own. And so here it's saying there's 166 backlinks. That is a very easy number to beat. However, keep in mind this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs as well, and right now it's telling me that you guys have 10 backlinks from 4 different domains and are ranking organically for 2 keywords. So let's just see which keywords those are. And so water damage restoration in Janesville. So that was pretty much the keyword that we were just looking up. So it is a good keyword, but you are on around the 4th or the 5th page for that. And so if we were to incorporate the 3 things that we talked about into your strategy, I think that you guys could really rise in the ranks rather quickly. Janesville has a lot of great opportunity right now. So to recap what those 3 things were, number 1, we would want to add in some more quality educational content with some more buyer intent, high volume keywords. Number 2, we'd want to get you some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, please email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.